Hello and welcome to how to add a harmonized discussion to an assignment in Canvas. Our first step is to go to the Assignments tab within Course Navigation. From here, we'll click Plus Assignment to create a new assignment. You can give it a name. And even though we may be adding a harmonized discussion, it is still created within an assignment in Canvas. From here, you could add some directions if you like, and then create how many points you would like your discussion to be worth. Under Submission Type, we're going to click on External Tool. Click the Find button and search for Harmonize. This is in alphabetical order, so you'll have to scroll down a little bit. Once you choose Harmonize, you will get this pop-up window of the different types of Harmonize assignments. If you're looking to create a discussion, you can click on this box. If you're not sure what to select, clicking the question mark button will take you to a support page that describes what that assignment type is like and can also give you a tutorial video. For today, we're going to do a discussion. Once you click on the discussion, it'll return you back to this small pop-up window. Then click Select. Clicking Select will join it to your assignment. You can unclick the box that says Load this tool in a new tab in order to keep the harmonized discussion within the same page. From here, you can add your due date. This will be the final due date of when all posts and replies should be due. For example, we'll put September 14th. From here, we'll click Save. After a moment, it will load and you'll see this starting block for your harmonized discussion. This is where you will set the settings and fully set up your discussion. So it shows you when your due date currently is, how many original posts do you want students to complete, for example, an original post, and then how many days before the due date do you want that due? So if it's due on Sunday, but you want your original post due on that Friday, that would be 3 days. And then how many comments do you want due on the due date? So this is set up for an initial post due on the Friday and 2 replies due on the Sunday. Having this box marked will set up that milestones or multiple due dates. If you would like students to be auto-graded for completion, you can check this box. If you would like to manually grade to check that students answered questions correctly or fully completed their assignment, uncheck this box for you to grade manually. If you would like to scan each student's post with Turnitin, you can check this box. Next, we'll go to write instructions. You can adjust all of these settings. You can ask AI to help create a prompt if you like, or you can select the button down here to write my own instructions, where you can type in or copy and paste in other directions to here. This will give you a chance to format and add alignment to your text. If you would like to add a picture or video to the instructions, you can do that as well. If you would like to set up a rubric and allowing students to use an AI coach to give them feedback before posting from that rubric, you can set that up, or you could skip that. And it's telling me the topic has to be at least 25 characters. And now we'll skip that for the moment. You can from here publish or configure additional settings. There are many settings that you can configure in order to personalize your discussion. But we'll click Publish here to get it started. Now when students arrive on this assignment, they will see the harmonized discussion. Within here will be the actual directions that you put in, and students can see that they must post their initial post by that Thursday and 2 comments by Sunday. If you would like to get notifications on when students post in the discussion, you can turn on Watch Topic. If you realize you've made a mistake, for example here, this is due Thursday, we can click Edit and at any point go back and edit these due dates. I'm going to look at the milestone due dates and adjust these as well. You can also add in a word requirement if you want students to hit a minimum word count for their posts and also for their comments. And you can also adjust any of these as well. Once you're done, you can click Publish or Save as a draft to continue later. And that is your quick setup for creating an assignment in Canvas, making a harmonized discussion.